Hi, my name is Claire Russell of Targetmaths. Welcome to my channel. This channel is all about GCSE revision, and today's video is on indices. So we have a collection of past exam questions at grade 4 to 5. I've got a flashcard at the end of the video that summarises everything that you will have seen within the questions that we answer. And if you are feeling a little rusty, if you're looking at this video thinking, I'm not sure I really know this yet, then at the end of the video on the end screen, I have linked a video where I break it down, explain all the rules and why they work, why the rules are what they are. So hopefully you'll find that useful if you need it. Okay, let's get on with this. Okay, so our first question came from a calculator paper. It was worth 3 marks. So hit pause and press play when you're ready to see the solution. Okay, so we have a power to a power, which means we multiply 2 5s are 10, and we've got p to the power of 10, and that was for 1 mark. The next one, we've got quite a lot going on. It's a divide question. So the power rule is to take the powers. We want to do everything step by step. So numbers first. 12 divided by 6 is 2. Our x is 7 take 3, which is 4. And our y is 3 take 1, which is 2. So whenever you see a single letter, remember there is an invisible power 1. Okay, our next question came from a non-calculator paper worth 2 marks. So hit pause, press play when you're ready. Okay, numbers first. 3 times 5 is 15. As it's a multiplication question, we're adding the powers. So P has 2 plus 4, which is 6, and R has 4 plus 1, which is 5. Okay, our next question came from a calculator paper. It was worth 3 marks. Hit pause, have a go, press play when you're ready. Okay, so the first question looks a little different, but it really is just using that power rule. It's a times question, so we add the powers. If we add the powers, we've got 2 plus a number I don't know equals 6. And when you see it like that, you can see that n must equal 4. And that was for 1 mark. The next question, again, we just need to break it down carefully. Hopefully you spotted the little negative on the 4 here, which does play quite a significant role in this question. If you didn't, then obviously hit pause, have another quick go and press play again. So a divide question means we take the powers. We'll do the numbers first. 32 divided by 4 is 8. Q, 9 take 3 is 6, and then we've got our R. Now be careful, we've got -4, -1, which is -5. The most common mistakes are people going the wrong way on the number line or just completely missing it altogether. These 2 mark questions, you're getting 2 marks for everything correct and 1 mark for 2 parts correct. Okay, next question. This one came from a non-calculator. It was 1 mark. They really are just testing, do you know this rule? Hit pause, have a go, and press play when you're ready. Okay, so the rule here is all linked to the negative. A negative power means reciprocal. So what you'll do is you'll start off by ignoring the negative completely and doing 2 cubed. 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. Now I need to do the reciprocal of 8. The best way to do it, stick it over 1 and then just flip it. So the answer is an 1/8 for 1 mark. Okay, our next question. It came from a non-calculator worth 3 marks. Hit pause, press play when you're ready. Okay, so whilst this question has changed and we no longer have letters as our base, we do have numbers and the base numbers are all the same. A really important thing to understand with all the indices and their rules is they can only be applied when the base numbers are the same. So be aware of that. We're going to just do this in exactly the same way as we do the letters. A multiply means that we add the powers. So we have 3 to the 9 over 3 to the 2. And then the divide means that we take them, giving us 3 to the 7. That was worth 2 marks. Write down the value of 12 to the power of 0. Anything to the power of 0 equals 1. That is what we are taught. I'm going to show you something very, very quickly, because all teachers say this to you, but then the exam could do something like this: 5x to the 0. That means 5 times 1. The 0 is only on the x, so that will turn to 1, not the whole thing, giving an answer of 5. We don't see that sort of thing very often, but it's important that you're aware of it. Okay, our last question. Hit pause, have a go, and press play when you're ready. Okay, so -3 cubed basically means -3 times -3 times -3. So just do it in stages if you need to. 3 times 3 is 9, and 2 negatives make a positive. So it's +9 times by -3. 9 threes are 27. 1 negative in your question, 1 in your answer. And that was a 1 mark question. So hopefully it has been really useful just to see the variety of questions that can be on GCSE papers. The flashcard is coming up, so please do take a screenshot of that as well. It summarises everything you need, so it's a useful addition for sure. If you like the video, then please hit that like and subscribe button, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one.